My video guide will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called NETT, N-E-T-T. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this NETT ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then the ransomware appends this NETT extension to the file names. It also reveals this ransom note titled as recovery instruction. The ransomware note indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. However, I urge you to be extremely careful and not to pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button. Install it, and once the software gets installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only a quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way your data would always be protected from further adware or malware or ransomware attacks. And you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking regarding file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.